Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tank repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to tackle toilet troubles without the hefty cost of a professional plumber. Today, we dive into the top-rated toilet tank repair kits on the market, comparing features, ease of installation, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit for your specific needs and get your toilet flushing like new again. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400 AKR Kit. Is your toilet running inefficiently? This all-in-one kit replaces worn-out parts, bringing your toilet back to its optimal performance. It's the simple solution for a better flush. It fits most 2-inch flush valve toilets, making installation a breeze. The adjustable design ensures compatibility with various toilet models and water usage levels. This kit includes a high-performance flapper that maximizes water efficiency with every flush. Save water and money with this simple upgrade. No more annoying leaks or wasteful flushes. It replaces your old fill and flush valves, flapper, and handle, solving multiple problems at once. You can have your toilet working perfectly again in just 10 minutes or less. It's a simple DIY project that saves you time and money. Upgrade your toilet today with the Fluidmaster 400 AKR. Enjoy a reliable, efficient, and water-saving flush for years to come. What we like. This kit replaces multiple parts at once, saving you time and effort. It's designed to fit most toilets and is super easy to install in under 10 minutes. If you're looking for a quick and simple fix for your toilet troubles, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions are very thorough, clear, and written in easy-to-understand language. Good kit and everything works really well. Husband loves that the flow level is adjustable, so now there's a good flush that doesn't leave anything behind. Quieter than the builder's special systems, no leaks, and no continuous running. All the parts you could need, less the basic tools needed for install. Directions easy to understand and complete. Parts seem better quality than expected. Toilet worked perfect with zero problems or adjustments required, took about an hour. Number 4. Danco HYR460 Kit. Is your toilet running constantly? This kit has everything you need to fix it, saving you water and money. It includes a new fill valve, flapper, rod, and float. These are the most common parts that cause toilet leaks. It's a simple DIY project. Just follow the instructions and use common household tools. The fill valve is 8.5 inches tall, the rod is 7.75 inches, and the float is 5.5 inches. Everything is designed for a perfect fit. Made from durable plastic and rubber, it's built to last. Enjoy optimal performance for years to come. It's designed for standard single-flush toilets. The flapper even includes an adapter for a wider range of fits. You get a universal flapper, spring, float with rod, and ball cock with refill tube. Everything you need for a complete repair. What we like. It comes with everything you need to fix a leaky toilet, ensuring a long-lasting repair. The durable materials guarantee it will stand the test of time. If you value quality and a straightforward installation process, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The materials feel solid, and everything seems built to last. Installation was easy and it works very well. All necessary parts were included and it functioned well with no adjustment. I consider it an easy install and recommend. Number 3. Danco HYR460. This kit helps you convert your toilet into a water-saving dual flush system. It's easy to install and will reduce your water bill. It features a unique dual push-button handle. A short press uses less water for liquids, while a full press uses the normal amount for solids. It's designed to replace your existing flush valve. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll be saving water in no time. The kit includes a durable silicone gasket that creates a leak-proof seal. It's also chlorine and chemical resistant. This smart kit detects leaks and signals you if there's a problem. You can also adjust the water level for optimal performance. It works with most standard toilets, but please check for compatibility before purchasing. It's not suitable for all models. What we like. This kit transforms your standard toilet into a water-saving dual flush model. Its unique design prevents leaks and helps you conserve water. If you're environmentally conscious and want to lower your water bill, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's very simple to use and consistent. The round button also updates the look of my toilet. The tube at the bottom of the tank sends jets out to clean the bottom. This tube does not come with the lever version. One advantage to these systems is the white slide mechanism on the filler tube. You can slide that so that it will not refill after flushing. This is a big help if have to adjust the replacement for the flapper value, but even bigger help when wanting to clean the toilet bowl. This was so easy to install and it saves so much water. There are plenty of water adjustments to get the perfect flush for a number 1 and a number 2. In my estimation, from looking at the water level in my reservoir, I'm only using a quarter of the water for a number 1 flush and about 2/3 for a full flush. Number 2. R&T Fill Valve Kit. Is your toilet running or making noise? It's time for an easy upgrade. This kit will fix those problems and save you money. This fill valve ensures a quick, quiet fill every time. It's designed to use just the right amount of water, saving you money on your water bill. Installation is a breeze. The quick locking nut makes it tool-free, and adjusting the water level is simple. It fits most standard American toilet tanks. It's a direct replacement for many popular brands, making it a perfect choice for your home. It's made with high-quality materials and comes with a 5-year warranty. You can trust it to work reliably for years to come. This efficient fill valve helps conserve water, reducing your water bill and your environmental impact. Enjoy the savings. What we like. It offers tool-free installation and easy water level adjustment. This ensures a quiet and efficient toilet refill. If you need a simple, hassle-free solution that fits most toilets, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to install and adjust the water level. It's well made and I expect it will last a long time. This solved our problem of a leaking valve that was wasteful and noisy. It was easy to install. It is adjustable. An extra inch of water in a filled tank makes all the difference. It is easy to install, except that it takes a pair of pliers to loosen up the level adjustment knob. Do this prior to installation. It's quiet and refills the tank quickly. Number 1. Saillong Toilet Kit. This toilet fill valve fits most toilets, making it a universal solution for common toilet problems. It's perfect for DIY upgrades and a quick, easy fix. The flapper is made of durable, chlorine-resistant rubber for a leak-free seal. Its strong, flexible design ensures long-lasting performance and a reliable flush. Replacing your old parts is a simple process. It should only take about 10 minutes, and you can easily do it yourself. This kit provides a quiet and efficient flush. It solves issues with noisy filling and slow water intake, saving you water and money. It's designed for water efficiency, ensuring your tank fills correctly without leaks or waste. Enjoy a reliable flush while conserving water. What we like. This kit includes a high-performance flapper and a durable fill valve designed for long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. If you want a reliable and efficient upgrade for your toilet, this is an excellent option. What people say. Adjustments and installation was a breeze. So far, they've been quieter and appear to work better than what I'd had before. The 2-pack of assemblies is in a hallway closet, and since toilets only break at night and holidays, this prevents a huge plumber bill or a mad landlord. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.